No. And for all of you YouTube viewers, this is what we started out with. Not his fingers, but the chocolate cake. And now a colorful, fattening, and, well, healthy cake.
It's healthy because of the fruit. That's
and
it. And look, we even cook Irish whistles here. Ta-da! I'm just disinfecting it and cleaning it up because I'm going to play music today.
Introducing Jessica Conlon. Sorry, I'm terrible with names. With her unique style of baking. You start out with that again, and you end up with this.
Hey, we haven't ended up yet. I got to drizzle chocolate.
Yeah. And who says that we have to have a recipe to make our lives happy?
Yeah. Fun in the kitchen with Glovers.
And
I'm doing easy stuff off the floor.
Jesse's visiting from where?
Washington.
Say hello to Washington. And hello to Oregon and Florida.
Yeah.
Because I am from both places.
We're from Miss Colorado. Miss Colorado. I'll be out there soon.
Well, I was born in Michigan.
Check this out. This is the chocolate. I wish it were dark chocolate, but it's semi-sweet. And we are going to get it in a nice consistency to drizzle it over our cake.
I like semi-sweet better than I do dark.
Oh no, I love dark. And it's healthy. It's healthier for you. Hang on, we're in a nice microwave container that's not holding all of its heat very well, so pop it in.
Nuke it again.
Or the quickest defrost.
So,
don't do it very long, because if you do it too long, then it turns out really hard and
Yeah, it does. It hardens up.
doesn't work well. And we want it to be...
I think that's perfect.
Look at that. It looks great. But we'll see if it drizzles over very well. You just use a fork.
Whoa.
Ta-da. And it'll get nice and hard on there. It'll get all crackly and delicious and make a hard shell.
Get away from the cake. It's the cake patrol.
And we're going to do white chocolate over this too. So we've got a chocolate fudge cake with a creamy filling of fresh blueberries.
Are these mine or Jessica's?
And white chocolate. And then we have fresh whipped cream around the outside.